Welcome. This is a meditation to protect your energy, to wrap yourself in light, your own light, called in by you and created for you. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels right for your body today. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze if you prefer to keep them open. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a sigh out the mouth. Again, deep breath in and exhale out the mouth, letting go. One more time, a full breath in through the nose and a long releasing sigh out, letting the body settle a little deeper with each breath. Allow the breath now to find its own natural rhythm through the nostrils without changing or controlling it, simply noticing the quiet, steady movement of breath flowing in and flowing out. The movement of your chest and belly with each breath in and each breath out. Feel the support beneath you, whatever is holding you right now. Let it hold you fully. And as the body softens, begin to bring your awareness outward, beyond this moment, beyond this room, into the vast open sky above you. Take a moment to simply rest in that vastness. And somewhere in that infinite sky, in that endless field of stars, perhaps there is one star calling out to you, a warmth, a shimmer, a gentle pull. As you become aware of this star, notice its light, a brilliant, pure, diamond white light, ancient and knowing, steady and unwavering. The light has always been there. And now, with your next inhale, invite this white light to begin its journey toward you. Watch as it travels through the vast open sky, drawn to you like a beam of love, moving gently but with purpose, until it arrives at the very crown of your head. Let it rest there for a moment, a warm glow at the top of your skull, gentle, steady, loving. And on your next inhale, allow this white light to enter through the crown of your head. Let it pour in like liquid light. Feel it begin to travel down into the center of your head, down your throat, illuminating everything it touches. And now let this white light find the channel of your spine and let it travel down the full length of your spine, vertebra by vertebra, filling each space with its pure, steady glow, all the way down to the base of your spine, rooting the light within you, anchoring it. And on the next inhale, let that light rise back up the spine and fill the space of your heart center, the center of your being. And from your heart, set the intention that this light travels now to every single cell of your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers and to the tips of your toes, every cell, every corner, illuminated, infused, held in this pure white light. Take a moment to feel yourself full of light. And now allow this light to continue to grow, to expand beyond the boundaries of your skin. Let it begin to surround you, moving outward in every direction, above you, below you, to your left and to your right, in front of you and behind you, until you are completely enveloped, wrapped in a luminous cocoon of white light. Let the edges of this cocoon expand as far out around you as you like. Notice how solid it feels. Set the intention now that this cocoon of white light serves as your protection, and that anything that does not serve your highest good cannot enter this space, cannot reach you here. Only love may enter, only what is meant for you, and only what aligns with your highest self. And this light does not leave you when this meditation ends. It stays with you into your day, into every moment. You carry it with you because it came from within you. And whenever you need to feel it again, all you need to do is close your eyes, take one deep breath, and remember your star. It will always be there, steady, shining, yours. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a sigh out the mouth. Whenever you're ready, begin to gently bring your awareness back. Gently move your fingers and your toes. And if you like, you can place your hands over your heart and take a moment to give thanks to yourself for giving yourself this time and for choosing to come back to you. And I thank you. You are held. You are protected. You are light. Namaste.